Today, we're making this mushroom veggie pizza with a high protein base. Take note of the ingredients. For the dough, we'll need rice flour and pea protein, both from HSN. We also add 2 beaten eggs, a pinch of salt and oregano, and mix everything together very well. To shape the dough, we'll need a little water, between 15 and 30 milliliters. Knead until you get this texture and shape it in an oven-safe pan. Keep the same thickness all around, shape it like a pizza, and bake for about 5 minutes. Once the base is ready, we'll add this tomato sauce with olive oil, a bit of grated cheese, and meanwhile prepare these freeze-dried mushrooms, which only need to be rehydrated, drained, and cooked for a few minutes in a frying pan. Once they're ready, place them over the pizza base, spread them evenly, and top with some cherry tomatoes and a little more grated cheese. Put it back in the oven to gratinate, decorate with arugula, and enjoy.